Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing a bedroom tour. I got a couple requests to do one and I was already planning on doing one, so here you go. I live with 3 other people. Yeah, I love my roommates. I love this place. This is my most favorite place I've lived in college. If you don't know, I'm a senior at Auburn University studying marketing. And also, fun fact, this is the first place I've ever lived that no one's ever lived before. So this complex was brand new and we were the first to move in. So that was super nice, and that will probably never happen again unless I build a house. So yeah, let's go ahead and see it. Right when you walk into my room, this is like the first thing you see, so I'll give you a little overview. Right by the door is where I keep my backpack because it was always easy to grab, and there's like a lot of space right here. Right next to that, I have my dresser. I got this from Big Lots, and me and my mom wanted to put it together. As you can tell, it's not exactly lined up right. There's actually holes at the bottom of it because we drilled it in the wrong way. This was like super cheap, so I didn't really care that much, but I will not be taking this to my next apartment. On this side, this is where I usually keep my purse and my keys because it's just easy to grab and it's right by the door. So right behind my purse, I have this 2-drawer white acrylic box thing that I keep some jewelry in. The bottom drawer is kind of random, but the top drawer just has lots of silver and gold and colored earrings. On the top of that, I have this little heart jewelry holder that has my Chloe perfume and 2 little mini perfumes and some little scrunchies in the back. This is from FabFitFun. I have a volcano candle back there. It smells so good. It's my favorite candle. And then I have a Bath & Body Works room spray and champagne toast. I got my TV from Target, if anyone cares. In the top left drawer, I just keep like bras and underwear. In this drawer, I keep lots of t-shirts. The bottom left drawer, I keep like pajamas. And then the right top, this is like workout tops and tank top. This is like workout bottoms, so like shorts, leggings, all that. And then this last drawer is kind of random. It's just like fuzzy socks and like hoodies. And then on this side of my dresser, I have like my full-size perfumes that I use a lot, like Chance by Chanel, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. That's like my favorite summer scent. And then that's a Tom Ford Black Orchid in the back. I have this light pink bedazzled tray that I got from TJ Maxx, and I just put like my gold jewelry on there because I think it looks pretty. And then I have some diamond earrings, and then I have this Kate Spade candle. Right next to that, I have this wire basket that's from Target. I got a gray blanket as a gift. I'm not sure where it's from. And then that's a robe right there, and that little pink thing is a robe. I had that in my bathroom, but the command hook fell down, so I just kind of shoved them in there. Right above that and right next to my bathroom door, I have my little like mood board collage. My little bathroom door, we'll get to that in a second. That sequin scrunchie is from American Eagle. So this is my vanity. I got it from a Wayfair along with this little filing cabinet that I use for more storage. It actually has wheels, but I didn't like put them on there. I saw in one of Claudia Saluski's apartment tours that she got one. On top of the filing cabinet, I have this little pink divider storage thing. I got it from TJ Maxx. I just put my brushes in there and then like some contour palettes. And then this is a little book of lashes. This is gonna look so unorganized, but in the first drawer, I just have makeup. I have lots of palettes in the back you can't really see. And then I have a little makeup bag, my little ring light, eyeliners and mascaras, all in that. In this drawer, I have lots of makeup that I don't normally use that's like more for fun. This is mostly my skincare drawer, so I have lots of face masks and other products. Then this drawer is dedicated to like my hair care products, so I have lots of mini traveling products. I love texturizing spray and dry shampoo. And then in this last drawer, I just keep kind of like big bags like this, and then my wand, straightener, and blow dryer. Trash can is from Target. This chair was really affordable and I got it from Walmart. I like to call this drawer like my face drawer, so I have lots of foundation, tinted moisturizer, concealer, bronzer, highlighter, translucent powder, primer, all of that. Then this is my lip and blush drawer, so I have all my powder blushes over here, and then I have my cream blushes, and then I have lots of lip glosses and lipsticks. It does go really far back. I do need to get some bins to separate everything because everything does slide around. Some more makeup brushes. These are just old candles that I repurposed, and I put some beads in there. And then I have my like tweezers, my mini Chanel perfume over here. And then I have a little makeup mirror if I need to get closer. I got this little pink makeup organizer from TJ Maxx. This looks super messy, but I have my most used palettes up here, my sponges, and then my setting spray. Then in the corner of my room, I have this mirror from Kirkland's. It's like gold, and I have a little fan from Target next to it. up close so you can see that detail. In certain lights, it'll look a little silver, so I like that because I love mixing metals. Here's a little overview of what you see in my bathroom. First thing, I have this little cat towel. I think it's so cute. I got it for Valentine's Day a couple years ago. And then I have my most used skincare. This little tray is from Target. And then I just have a little soap and a little toothbrush holder, also from Target. These acrylic storage things that I got from TJ Maxx. This bath mat is from Society 6. In this drawer, I keep like hair stuff, so I have a little bin that has all my scrunchies and hair ties, 2 paddle brushes, a wet brush, and a wide tooth comb. Then in this drawer, it's just kind of like toothpaste, deodorant, moisturizer, tea tree oil, floss, contact stuff, my Clarisonic, and more in the back. Then underneath I have this little bin from Target that holds all my towels. And then I have this little section right here where I keep contact solution, micellar water, lotion, and then like my tanning stuff in the back. I have all my cleaning supplies in the back, and then refills for like cotton balls, Q-tips, cotton rounds. And then I have this white bin from Target that I keep all my medicine in. I like to keep my lotion right here because I think it's kind of cute and it's easy to use right after the shower. I also have a little body spray, candle, and these little exfoliating cubes. This bath mat is from Target along with the pink shower curtain. And then I have this painting right above my towel rack. It's from Hobby Lobby. And then I just have one white towel hanging right now that says Bailey in pink. I keep some pink washcloths on top of the toilet. Those are from TJ Maxx. Then I have this cute toilet brush cleaner kind of tucked away. It's from HomeGoods. Last but not least, my trash can. I have 2 more windows in my room. The curtains and the curtain rods are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. Right above my bed, I have this print from Society 6, and I got the frame from Hobby Lobby, so it was a bit cheaper. My bed frame is from Wayfair. It's like a light gray cream color. It looks more cream on camera. The rug right under it is also from Wayfair. I love it. I thought it was really dark at first, but ended up liking it. My actual comforter is from HomeGoods. It is Ralph Lauren. I do think I am gonna get a new comforter when I move. My throw blanket right here is like a dusty pink. It was a gift, but I'm pretty sure it was from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll come to the side for the pillows. I have white and gray sheets, so this is like my sleeping pillows in the back. That actually came from a different comforter set. And then I have these white European shams. This came from a different comforter set as well. Brooke Michio actually has this comforter set on her bed in Long Island. And then I have these 2 cheetah print pillows. I looked for them everywhere and finally found them at TJ Maxx. I had this pillow since freshman year. It's from Dormify. It's like a dusty rose. Over here is my nightstand. The actual nightstand is from TJ Maxx. The lamp on top is from Target. And then I just have some sleeping mist sitting there from Bath & Body Works, and then the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Love this stuff. A picture of me and my friends, my blue light glasses, this little bead that is from Hobby Lobby, my phone case, I got it off Amazon. And on this little tier, I keep my Apple Watch charger and then just some remotes, my wireless headphones. This little rock is from TJ Maxx. And then I have this little case, not sure where it's from, but I keep my camera in it. Another photo from Hangout. On the last tier down here, I have my Bluetooth speaker and then some photos and then my little Mophie charger. This looks super messy because I have this little surge thing and I keep all my cords right there. Then I have this painting from TJ Maxx that I actually never hung. Here's a little overview of my closet. On this drawer is where I keep a lot of my necklaces, so I have them organized by silver, gold, rose gold, and then some chokers. We're gonna start at the top of my closet. This little bin right here has like manicure stuff and like nail polish. And then this one has like a lot of tech stuff and journals and pens and all that. And then I have this bin that has like beanies, extra sheets in this one. This one's kind of like random and like holiday decor. And then this is also kind of like random, and I have like a box of lights. You can see I kind of alternated with the stripes, plain heathered gray, stripes, and then heathered gray. All of these bins are from Target. And then I keep my suitcase at the end. In the far left corner, I have all my like winter coats, turning into sweatshirts, and then sweaters, long sleeves, short sleeves, tank tops, crop tops, dresses, rompers, sets, and then skirts and skirts. Not sure where I got this shoe rack, but it fits most of my shoes. And then this shoe rack right here, this one's from Target. I usually keep my laundry basket right here. That's also from Target. It's pink, of course. I have this little dresser thing that I got from Walmart for like 20 bucks. At the top, I just keep jean shorts. and the second one I keep my jeans, and then the last one I keep my swimsuits. On top of this dresser, I have like old notebooks, a purse, there's a couple purses back there, and then this little box of like paint. You can't really see, but I keep a lot of bags and duffel bags back there. I have my laundry hamper right here, and then I have my like pool or beach bag. I have my bath bombs back here. I used to keep it in my bathroom, but it fell down and broke. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the bedroom tour, and if you want to see an apartment tour, let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Hope you guys are staying safe and social distancing still, and I'll see you soon. Bye!